हेलो फ्रेंड, आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। फ्रेंड, मैं इस वीडियो में सिविल जो एग्जीक्यूटिव सिविल का एग्जाम हुआ था डेडिकेटेड फ्राइट कॉरिडोर का, जो 17/4/2016 को हुआ था, उसको डिस्कस करूंगा। और फ्रेंड, वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं आप लोगों का कुछ हेल्प कर पा रहा हूँ, तो आप वीडियो देखने के साथ इसको शेयर भी करें अपने फ्रेंड्स में और सब्सक्राइब भी करें, so that I get some motivation from you. So let's start with first question. इसमें फ्रेंड मैं पहले एक बात बता दूं कि इसमें टोटल 100 क्वेश्चन है, जिसमें 80 क्वेश्चन टेक्निकल पार्ट है और 20 क्वेश्चन नॉन टेक्निकल पार्ट है। तो जो फर्स्ट पार्ट वीडियो का होगा, इसमें मैं 50 क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करूंगा। फिर सेकेंड पार्ट में 50 क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करूंगा। ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में है कि एन एक्टिवेटेड कार्बन इज स्पेशली treated carbon which has the property of absorbing, attracting impurities. Which of the following point is are not among the advantage of the activated carbon? A. It minimizes the chlorine demands of treated water. It accelerates the coagulation. C. It overdose is harmful. So option C is the correct option for this. Okay. Now moving to the question number second. Question number second में which of the following statement is are are not among the major limitation of sprinkler irrigation? A is the strong wind disturbs the sprinkling. It requires heavy initial investment. It minimizes the erosion of the soil. इसमें से कौन नहीं है नॉट अमंग द मेजर लिमिटेशन? तो ये पहला यस लिमिटेशन है, सेकेंड भी लिमिटेशन है, लेकिन सॉरी, यस, ओनली थर्ड जो सी पार्ट है, इट इज नॉट अ लिमिटेशन. Okay, so option 4 will be the correct answer. Now moving to the question number third, which one of the following is not among types of signal classified on the basis of their function? So for this option C, third is advanced starter signal is the correct option. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is as recommended in IS 456. Match the following according to the recommended slums for various concrete walks and select the correct answer using code as given below. Types of construction are given this side and maximum recommended slums in this side. So for this option, second is the correct option. Now question number 5. Which term is appropriate for the branch of physical geography which deal with the origin distribution of water on the earth's surface? For this option C, hydrology is the correct answer. Now moving to the question number 6, in which type of foundation the length is considerably greater than its width? So for this option 4 is the correct, strip foundation. Now question number 7, dash is the algebraic sum of the moments of the forces on either side of the section of a loaded beam. So for this option 4, bending moment is the correct option. Question number 8, assume L is the load in Newton and A is the cross sectional area, then stress denoted by S is equal to. So for this option C, option third, S is equal to L by A is the correct option. Now question number 9. Question number 9, a 8 mm thick copper sheet is cut with a 9 centimeter diameter round punch. If the punch exerts a force of 16 kilonewton, find the shear stress in the sheet. So you can calculate and the answer will be the third, 7.0508 megapascal MPa. Now question number 10. According to the soil mechanics, which type of soil is not fully consolidated under the existing overburden pressure? For this option C, under the consolidated soil is the correct option. Now question number 11, dash is the normal stress when it's acts into the area. So for this option third, Compressive stress is the correct option. Now question number 12. According to the assumption of Jung's one-dimensional consolidation theory, which of the following statement is are correct? The soil is homogeneous. The incorrect पूछा friend. The soil is 100% unsaturated. The soil is laterally confined. So for this option B is the correct option, which is which is mentioned in the option 4. Only B is the correct answer. Now question number 13. Which of the following statement is are true about the type of gauge in Indian Railways? In broad gauge, the clear distance between the inner faces of two rails is 1.676 meter. In meter gauge, the clear distance between the inner faces of the two rails is 1.24 meter. In narrow gauge, the clear distance between the inner faces of the two rails is 0.62 meter. So for this option, इसमें पूछा है कि कौन सा which of the following statement true है, कौन सा true है, तो for this option second is the true option, right? Now question number 14. Which among the following is are the correct assumption is the theory of simple bending? So A is the load act perpendicular to the beam axis. The beam bends to a circular arc. The beam is initially straight of the constant cross section. So for this option A, B, C all are correct, which is mentioned in the option second. Now question number 15. A project engineer collects a sample of red soil having moist. Unit weight of the soil is 18.5 kilonewton per meter cube. Water content available is 22% and the specific gravity of the soil is 2.85. Find the void ratio. Assume weight of water 9.8 kilonewton per meter cube. So you can calculate and answer will be third 0.84. Now question number 16. Dash is an engineered material that contains cement, polymers and glass fiber. It is mainly used in concrete products including ornamental structure, founded domestic fountains, domes, etc. So for this option, glass fiber reinforced concrete is the correct option, which is mentioned in the option A. Now question number 17. According to the level of the pressure applied, lateral earth pressure is classified into various types. Which of the following type of lateral earth pressure refer to the minimum pressure exerted by the soil on the retaining wall? For this option second, active earth pressure is the correct option. Now question number 18. In the pile foundation, which type of pile act as column and transmit the load through weak soil to form a stratum at a greater depth? So for this option second, end bearing piles is the correct option. Now question number 19. What is the name of method of design of a reinforced cement structure in which optimum use of inherent strength of both steel and concrete is made? So for this option 4, ultimate load strength is the correct option. Now question number 20. Which of the following factor affect the per capita demand of water? So for this, climatic condition of the region, industrial commercial activity of the region, population. So all these are the factor which affect the per capita demand of the water. So it is mentioned in option third, ABC. All these are the correct option. Now question number 21. If R is the radius of the curve in meter and C is the chord length in meter, what would be the expression to denote versine V in millimeter? So for this option third, V is equal to 125 C square by R is the answer. Now question number 22. Surveyor made an error during the survey of a project which is associated with his skill and vigilance. Which type of error this surveyor has committed? This surveyor has committed random error. So which is this random error is mentioned in option A. So option A is the correct answer. Now question number 23rd. Dash is used in concrete to provide economy in the cost of material. It is used as a filler only and do not react with cement and water. So for this option third, aggregate is the correct answer. Question number 24. Which apparatus is used to perform the soundness test of the cement? So Lee Chatelier apparatus. This is used. Option A is the correct answer. Which of the following typical arrangement of points and crossing is being drawn in the figure shown above? This figure is shown tandem. Tandem option A is the correct answer. Now question number 26. Which of the following are not the characteristics of an ideal reinforcing material? It should be easily available in bulk at low prices. It should not possess high tensile stress and elasticity. It should be free from loose mill scale, loose rust and coat of paints. So for this option only B is the correct answer. नॉट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक पूछा है तो सिर्फ बी जो है वो नहीं है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, क्योंकि ये नॉट की जगह पे possesses हाई टेंसाइल स्ट्रेस एंड इलास्टिसिटी होना चाहिए. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. According to geological classification, rocks are divided into three different categories: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. In which category graphite, basalt, and diorite, etc. types of rock fall? For this option third is igneous rock is the correct answer. Now question number 28. At constant angular velocity at vertical, so for this option A is the correct answer. The pressure varies as the square of the radial distance. Now question number 29. According to the Hooke's law, a material is said to be elastic if it returns to its original unloaded dimension. When load is removed, it can be expressed stress upon strain is equal to constant. This is the option A is correct option. Now question number 30. In which type of joint plates to be fastened are placed one over the other and riveted by one or more rows of rivets? So for this option 4, lap joint is the correct answer. Now question number 31. Soil scientists collect unsaturated 200 centimeter cube sample of soil having weight 220 gram. If dried weight of soil is 180 gram, then find the water content available in the soil. So for this you can calculate an amount of water will be 0.222 triple time 3 times of 2, 0.222. Question number 23rd. The four kinds of crystal in thin section of cement canker named by Tornbaum are halide, bilite, silite, and dash. So phyllite is the fourth option, which is correct. Now question number 33. In the given image, read the observation carefully which were taken during the testing of a Dempsey level. तो इंस्ट्रूमेंट P and Q, स्टाफ रीडिंग ऑन P and Q. P के लिए P जो रीडिंग है 1.543 है, Q के लिए 2.123, Q के लिए फिर 1 पॉइंट P से के साथ 1.121 and Q के साथ 1.750. To what reading should be the line of collimation be adjusted when the instrument was at Q? So for this option 1.146 meter is the correct answer. Now question number 34. An open cylindrical tank of 2 meter diameter and 4 meter height contain water up to 1.5 meter depth. If the cylinder rotates about vertical axis, what angular velocity can be attained without spilling any water. So you can calculate, and 9.9 radian per second will be the correct option. Now question number 35. What would be the approximate weight of rail required for a क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 का 9.9 रेडियन पर सेकेंड. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 में है कि व्हाट वुड बी द अप्रोक्सीमेट weight of rail required for a particular track if the weight of locomotive axle load is 15,000 tons. So for this you can calculate, and answer third will be the correct option 29410 यानी 29,410 टन will be the correct answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 में है आपका कि what value of tensile stress is required to produce a strain of 10 into 10 to the power 4 10 to the minus 4 in copper. Find the result in MPa. Assume Young modulus of copper 50 GPa. So for this answer, second will be 50 MPa is the correct answer. Now question number 37. Which of the following statement are incorrect about prismatic compass? The needle is broad but it does not act as an index. Graduated ring is attached with the needle. This does not rotate along with the line of sight. The readings are taken directly seeing through the top of the glass. So for this option C, only C is the correct, which is option third. Now question number 38. Which of the following statement describe limitation of concrete technology? Availability of concrete ingredients easily. Due to low tensile strength, concrete is required to be reinforced to avoid cracks. Monolithic character gives better appearance. The property of concrete possesses high compressive strength. So for this option, third, only B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Now question number 39. Void ratio is the ratio of the volume of the voids to volume of the soil solids, and porosity of the soil mass is the ratio of the volume of the voids to the total volume of the given soil. What would be the expression to relate these two terms? For this option third will be the correct answer. This will be the correct answer. Now question number 40. Calculate the approximate specific energy of a trapezoidal channel having a bottom width of 6 meter, ratio of side slope is 1:1, and depth of the flow at discharge speed of 15 cubic meter per second is 1.5 meter. So you can calculate on option second 1.6 will be the correct answer. Now question number 41. A soil engineer collect a sample of soil which having moist unit weight of a soil is 25 kilonewton per meter cube. Water content available is 50%, and the specific gravity of the soil of the solid of the soil is 2.55. Then what is the value of the porosity of the soil mass? Assume unit weight of water is equal to 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. So you can calculate, and answer will be second 33% is the correct answer. Now question number 42. Assume initial void ratio is equal to E naught. Final void ratio is equal to E. For initial pressure P naught and final pressure P, then what is the value of the coefficient of compressibility AV? So AV is equal to E naught, second option, minus E upon P minus P naught is the correct answer, which is mentioned in the option second. Now question number 43. As per the specific design by the railway board for trunk route on broad gauge track, the design speed for a new track dash, and the maximum speed permissible is dash. So for this option, first 160 km per hour and 120 km per hour is the correct answer. Now question number 44. Which constituent of good brick earth added in small quantity during the manufacturing of bricks to give yellow in to bring and decrease the shrinkage. So for this option, magnesia is the correct answer, which is mentioned in the option A. Now question number 45. A constant at constant pressure, the fluid whose viscosity does not change with the rate of deformation is called Newtonian fluid. Is the correct option. Fourth option is the correct answer. Now question number 46. Why steel is commonly used as a good reinforced material? A. It is cheaply available in bulk. Thermal coefficient is nearly equal to concrete. It possesses low tensile strength. It develops good bond with concrete. Select the correct answer. So option A, B, D is the correct answer, which is mentioned in option second. Now question number 47. A project engineer received a laboratory report of a sample of soil having mass unit weight of a soil is 20.5 kilonewton per meter cube. Water content available is 25% and specific gravity of a soil solid of the soil is 3.35. Find the dry unit weight of the soil. So you can calculate an option 4, 16.4 kilonewton per meter cube will be the correct answer. Now on question number 48, the type of concrete in which preliminary tests are performed for designing the mix and it is also used for all the 7 types of grades of cement is known as, second option is the controlled concrete is the correct answer. Now question number 49. In the soil mechanics and foundation engineer, the ratio of the density of the soil to that of water at a given temperature is termed as dash of the soil solid. It is termed as specific gravity of soil solid. So option A is the correct answer. Now question number 50. Match the grade of bricks with its compressive strength according to IS code and select the correct answer as per the given below. Compressive strength is given and grade is also given and you can match it and option 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, so thank you and next video will appear soon. Okay friend, please like